Tired of the hassle of traditional exchanges? Want to buy crypto with the payment method you already love? PayPal has got you covered. Quick cuts of people using PayPal for various purchases. In this video, we'll show you how to easily buy crypto with PayPal on popular exchange. Step 1. Choose a reliable exchange. The first step is to select a reputable exchange. We recommend Exchange Name for its user-friendly interface and security features. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen exchange. Provide your email address, create a strong password, and verify your identity. Step 3. Verify your identity. Most exchanges require identity verification for security purposes. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID and a proof of address. Step 4. Link your PayPal account. Go to your exchange's deposit options and select PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your PayPal account. Step 5. Choose your cryptocurrency screenshots of different cryptocurrencies available. Browse the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you want to buy. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Step 6. Place your order. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. The exchange will calculate the equivalent amount in your PayPal currency. Confirm your order. Step 7. Confirm payment. PayPal payment confirmation. You'll be redirected to PayPal to confirm your payment. Review the details and complete the transaction. Step 8. View your crypto balance. Once the payment is processed, your purchased cryptocurrency will appear in your exchange wallet. Outro summarized the steps covered viewers to start buying crypto with PayPal and share the video with their friends. Additional tips: security. Emphasize the importance of using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Fees. Mention that some exchanges may charge fees for using PayPal. Customer support. Highlight the importance of choosing an exchange with good customer support. Remember to use a clear and concise voiceover. Keep the visuals engaging and informative. Edit the video for a smooth flow. Add background music to enhance the viewing experience. By following these guidelines, you can create a helpful and informative YouTube video that guides viewers through the process of buying crypto with PayPal.